we will be continuing from our marinade chicken parts, thighs, and legs. Okay, and what we're going to do is get it into the oven. Get it into the oven. That's barbecue. I have mixed up so many different seasonings in there, from barbecue to ginseng to ginger. And guess what? We're going to use this pan. We're going to put it in there. It's already done. Could be pre-cooked if you like. Pre-cooked. Let's put it into that lovely pan right there. Pre-cooked, or whichever way. Okay, and this is what we're going to do. Extra marinade to freshen something you took out of the refrigerator or any other way. And this is what we're going to do, alright? I can smell that flavor. It is heavenly. This is awesome. And we're going to take it and we're going to put it into our oven, into the oven. It's going to be awesome. Just into the oven. Get all those nice flavors in there. It's been marinated, I'd say overnight, a week, whatever. Okay, this is what it looks like. Going into the oven. I'm going to put it back in there and get it nicely done. It's awesome. Absolute marinade chicken. You can do it with fish, meats, whatever you'd like. What I did was some fish before to season. And I'm going to put that in the oven as well. Nice fish, whatever, seasoned fish. And this is what it looks like. So yummy, scrumptious, cooked meats. Gonna put this in the oven. I'm not gonna fry it. A nice yummy tilapia, could be snapper, anything. Okay, mixed it in with the lemons and every different season. Mix your own seasonings, of course. And this is gonna be awesome. So this is what we have today. Nice fresh fish, any kind you wish. This, however, is tilapia. Could be snapper, could be grunt, could be grouper, anything. Got that nice seasoning in there. Awesome. Absolutely wonderful. There we go. And this marinade could be stuff you left in the fridge. Marinate it, put in the oven, just to reheat it. It's going to be awesome. Oh, that smells so heavenly. Marinate it, barbecue sauce, mix in your lemon juices, vinegar, whatever you like. Oh, this is delectable. Love it. Okay, just put that in the oven and it's awesome. Alright? Love it. That's just the smell alone. Marinate whatever you like. I just love it. This is, however, chicken parts. Could be thighs, could be legs. But you like chicken, steak, it could be marinated to be anything you wish. This is lovely. Marinate it. Who doesn't marinate? Who doesn't marinate? Whether you season, some people just put seasoning on it. Put that in a Ziploc bag overnight. In a Ziploc bag overnight. Okay? With all your fresh seasonings, whatever, overnight, a week, 2 weeks, whatever, couple days. And it is fantastic. Okay? Who wouldn't love this? I love it. Just the smell alone is awesome. That is good. Now I'm going to put that in the oven because in a few hours I'm going to have it. I'm going to have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. For dinner. This is awesome. Okay? If you're alone or for a family, put as many parts as you like in there. Some people like breasts instead of parts, or chicken legs. You can do it with livers. You can do it with whatever, beef, whatever you like. Right now I am doing it with chicken. Okay, steak, beef, lamb, ham. With the holidays coming up, this is fantastic. You can do whatever you wish, whatever you like. Okay? And this right here is awesome. So enjoy. I'm going to put it in the oven now. Alright? the oven. Wash your hands. Always wash your hands. That marinade bag. Sometimes I like to put something else and marinate in it. However, you want to get rid of that bag because different seasoning from raw poultry and everything, or cooked poultry, you wouldn't want to use the same bag. So you want to get rid of that and use a different bag, a brand new bag. Okay? Now your seasonings in here. What I like to do is do all different kind of seasonings, add in, doesn't matter what. You can add every different seasoning for whatever you like. And as far as that here, let's just transfer a moment so you can really see. I want you to see something. Sorry for the noise a moment. But for this here fish, okay, we're going to put it in here. Alright. And we're going to just give it a little more seasoning. Okay, you get in between those slits. We call it scorch in the islands. You want to get in between those slits. Make sure your seasoning go all the way in there. You want to get inside that fish. Let's go to the other side. Do it evenly, okay? Do it evenly, because that fish is going to go in the oven as well. Instead of frying, some people are doing air fry right now, but I'm going to put this in the oven. Okay. This is about getting all those seasonings into that fish. Okay. I can smell it. It smells heavenly. Doesn't matter what kind of fish. Fish. Seafood. Fish. Oops. And we don't want to waste any of our seasoning. That happens. There we go. We're going to put it in there. It's going to be awesome. Oh, that smells heavenly. So we're going to put that as well into the oven in a different pan. Of course. Okay. Another pan. Doesn't matter which pan. I would use actually this here. Okay, because it's one fish. One fish. Alright. And I'm going to get my seasoning. Mix of vinegar. That's vinegar, peppers, and garlic. And lemon juice. And you want to do a little generous seasoning. Generously. On either side. A garlic. Take a garlic. Stick it into that opening there. Okay. That garlic. It's awesome. And guess what? We're going to do it again. Garlic. It's international. Lemon juice, international. You have your different seasonings, whatever you like. It's all about that fish, getting that seasoning in there. And I'd like to keep it, it's been seasoned already overnight. So I'm going to put in the oven. And all that nice juice in there, that's lemon, vinegar, nice seasoning. So you want to put that also in your pan, in the oven. Okay? You can get another piece of garlic or onion, purple onions, whatever you like. And just put them in that slot. Some people like to season it whichever way. Okay? And we want to clean our fish properly. Get all the all the scales off. If not, either way, you can see. But that garlic in those slots, that make a difference. Cut fresh garlic. Stick it in there. And when that's cooked, all that flavor is embedded. Absolutely embedded in that fish. So, happy eating. This is going to be awesome. I can't wait to really enjoy it. Happy eating. Enjoy it. Enjoy your food. Happy eating. Enjoy your food. Feliz, feliz. It's coming on Christmas time. Yes. Celebrate food. Eating. Please do. Celebrate food. And what I like to do is get the flavors all into that fish. All into that fish. There we go. Awesome. Happy holidays. For any occasion, birthday, weddings, whatever. Season your food. Enjoy it. Okay? Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Always wash your hands. Okay, wash your hands. Let's wash your hands. You don't want your, seasoning, your chicken mixed in with your fish or whatever because of salmonella. So, yeah, make sure always wash your hands in between each seasoning. Please do. Sometimes we forget to wash our hands, but the best we can do, okay, is to keep everything healthy and clean. So if we're eating it ourselves or giving it to others for the holidays, whatever, festivities, please do wash your hands, enjoy your food. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day.